arms and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Have you ever met someone you could not get mad at? Have you ever been in love so deep there's no way out? I wish I could explain your eyes and how the sound of your voice gives me butterflies.